Hello and welcome to our video on divided highway signs in the USA. If you have ever driven on a highway, chances are you have encountered this sign. But do you know what it means and why it is important? In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about this vital traffic sign. What is a divided highway sign? A divided highway sign is a diamond-shaped sign with a yellow background and black symbols. It indicates that the road ahead is divided into two lanes of traffic, separated by a physical barrier or median. These barriers can be anything from concrete walls to grassy medians and are designed to prevent head-on collisions and other dangerous situations. Why is the sign important? Divided highway signs are essential for maintaining safety on the road. They provide clear and concise information to drivers about upcoming road conditions, allowing them to adjust their speed and merge into the correct lane. By indicating the presence of a divided highway, the sign helps prevent accidents and promote the efficient flow of traffic. Where can you find the sign? Divided highway signs are typically located at the entrance to a divided section of the highway, giving drivers ample time to prepare for the upcoming road conditions. They can also be found at other points along the divided highway, such as exits and rest areas. Rules and guidelines for driving on a divided highway. When driving on a divided highway, it is important to follow some basic rules and guidelines. Always stay in your designated lane and avoid making sudden lane changes. If you miss your exit, do not attempt to cross the median or barrier, but instead continue to the next exit and turn around. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure the safety of yourself and other drivers on the road. In summary, the divided highway sign is a critical tool for maintaining safety and efficiency on the road. By understanding the meaning of this sign and following the rules and guidelines for driving on a divided highway, you can help make your journey safer and more enjoyable. For more information like meaning, quiz definition, example, shape, location, color, please check the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope you found this information helpful.